Yeah, see, you could probably get away with redoing all of it. But somewhere it slipped off.
Oh, it does. Hard stuff.
That's pretty tricky. Right there, it's really hard to explain why I would do that. Because it's like you had a good grab at the
Well,
the
that's
start.
that's what we're trying to figure out, because that's what it's doing. That's the only thing I need to know is what's causing it. To how do you, when it does do that, how to prevent it.
Stop it immediately and retract. You know, this very same tool will do it for you. See how I'm redoing the 90?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and pull that away for just a second. Oh, yeah. Okay. See, right up to here, you're okay. Just these 18 inches or whatever. So let's redo it. You grab onto that. No, just from right here. See, you already have a 90 and a 180. So, a little bit this way. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
No.
No, it's
Nope.
driving it wrong again. That is really tricky. I think once it's already started that way, what I recommend is just, you'll have to probably do it by hand
Stage 2.
and go back on over here. See where you're starting already, the 90?
Yeah.
So go back on over here and make sure. Let me turn this over again.
Okay.
And take another visual.
Okay. That way?
Yeah, like this is good. Let's go. You know, stage 2 seems to be grabbing okay. Stage 2 seems to be alright. From what I can tell, it's okay. Seems like.
See, and that's a problem we were having there. This is a 4 sheet, huh?
Yeah.
So that's about what it started over there. 5th.
All right, see this one here? I'm gonna go in a half a turn on this.
Turn tighter?
Yeah. I could do it both probably. See how they have washers and an adjustment?
Yes.
All right, let me grab those tools.
Okay.
And also I'll start taking a look at that other tool too.
Okay.